What's up, guys? We are doing a couple days of staycation here in Angeles City. You guys all excited? I said, are you guys all excited?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
When you're lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Whoa, I'll be beside you all alone. My love for you is so strong.
All right, guys, so where are we staycationing here in Angeles City? If you haven't figured it out from the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you right now where we're staying. We are staying at the Clarkton Hotel. They are open. You can come here, you can stay here. The restaurant is open. I've never stayed here. I've never stayed at the Clarkton. I've had subscribers stay here at the Clarkton. They said it was very nice. The reason we're staying here, I did a staycation. A friend of mine contacted me about a week ago. He said him and his family were going to come up here and hang out and stay up here for a few days. And I'm like, you know what? We'll join you guys. We'll join you guys. Get out, get the girls out, get them, you know, somewhere different to look at besides the four walls inside the house. Some of you guys might recognize this guy. I'll wait till a little bit later on and I'll introduce the special guest appearance. Before I kind of like walk around and do my vlog, I'm going to take you guys up the road here to show you this area up the road here. I was up here about a month ago, and within a month a lot has changed. So let me kind of show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, let me show you this area up here. Like I said, about a month ago I was up here, and it's really changed. Let me show you. You guys remember this area here? These were entertainment areas through here. You can see they got the doors all bricked up, the roof's all gone. But check this out. They've got this all tore up through here. These are all your entertainment clubs through here, off the side gate. They're tearing them up, they're tearing them out. I would imagine they're going to re-renovate this whole area through here, put up new buildings. But look at it. It is gutted. Drove by here a few times, and they do have workers through here doing demolition work, cleaning it up, but all through here, all the way down. It is. Look at that little. Afraid I don't want to walk. Might step in some glass or something. But man, are they tearing it down. Progress, right? I think this was an Orange Club or something. I don't know. What? There it is. There it is, guys. All right, guys. Here we go. We are going off to our rooms. It's right, you heard me. Double. When we checked for reservations the other day, the family room, which sleeps 4, they were all sold out. So we had to get 2 rooms. So the kids get their own room and we get our own room. They don't allow you to get a room and pile 50 people in. You know, the old Filipino way, get 1 room and 50 people pile in. So the girls are staying here in room 115, which is directly across from our room here at 116.
Right.
So let's check out the girls' room. Wow, the girls got their own room. Wow, congratulations, girls. It's like being at home, right? Turn on some lights in there.
You know what she said? Wow.
Wow. So this is the girls' room. Of course, they have their own little CR. Can you turn the light on in there, Let?
Okay, just a minute.
There's their own little CR. Wow, they're living the lifestyle. Wow. Got a little TV, refrigerator, and a big bed here, like a king-size bed. So that is their room. Do not drink anything in that refrigerator, eat anything from that refrigerator. But you can, however, drink that water right there. And that's the air conditioner. So anyways, we're going to shoot across here and we're going to check out our room. What's ours? 116, right?
Yes.
116.
Wait a minute. State orders.
They can come in to check it out. Just
Can
wait,
you
let me
close
come
them?
in first.
Okay,
Do they have the
Papa,
key?
please.
They need the key? All right, we'll have to hook them up and show them with the key.
This is your key. You need to... Here.
Light. Find me some light. There we go. This is our room, guys. It is the same exact layout, same exact setup as the girls. The only difference is, let me get the bag here, is we have a door and we have a poolside view. So the girls, I'm sure, will be over here hanging out while we're here. But there it is. There's our rooms. Clarkton Hotel. Nice hotel. I'll show you guys around a little bit here. All right, guys. So like I had said earlier, we're meeting up with some friends of ours. I haven't seen this guy and his family in probably 2 years.
Your birthday.
Yeah. July 31st, 2019 was the last time we all got together, and it's great to get back together. A lot of you guys have asked about him. You know, what's he up to? Where's he at? And this and that. So guys, guess what? Here he is. Special guest appearance. He's back, baby. You guys ready?
All right.
Mr. Philo in the Philippines.
How you doing?
So,
I'm honored to be on your channel, brother.
where you been?
Well, you know, I went back to the USA, ended up having some medical issues, had to wait on the surgery involving the medical issues, and then I got locked out of the country for 11 months. So my initial goal was to return to the Philippines, December of 2020, January 2021, and I ended up getting locked out of the country until August 2nd of this year of 2021. They opened the country back up to foreign spouses and foreign parents. So I was able to apply for a 9A visa and return.
You've been back how long now?
1 month today.
1 month today.
Yeah, I came back on the 11th of November. I did 6 days of quarantine at the Bayview Park in Ermita, and then I rejoined my family on the 16th.
So there it is, guys. He is back. You guys asked about him. Where's
Making
Philo
videos.
been? And he is back now. He's making videos.
We're vlogging it, baby.
We're vlogging it, baby. We're just going to spend a few days here, hang out, do some swimming, and just hang out in the city in our, our staycation. Those that don't know who he is, you were here. What year did you come here? You remember?
I moved to the Philippines January of 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
He started doing vlogging.
Yeah.
Philo in the Philippines.
There you go, baby.
Not Philly, but Philo, Philo in the Philippines.
Thanks for that.
I will put the link down below.
Yeah, baby.
He's down in Caloocan, where the city meets the province.
Baby.
So check it out. It's his, his life down there, his family down there, and him just enjoying his life. And
That's it.
he's been back a month now,
Expat vlogging.
and he's back out vlogging. So there it is, guys. There it is. All right, guys. You know what? I'm going to do a little walk through the Clarkton here. I know some of you guys have stayed here in the past, and they've really done a really nice job remodeling it. Plus, for those that are looking for a place to stay when things do open up, I like the Clarkton. It's far enough away from, you know, down by the famous street. You can always catch a trike, a jeepney down there, but it's just a nice area here. Here's as you enter the main lobby here. They really changed this. It used to be like a tunnel coming through here, but as you come in to the right is your check-in counter and everything right here. Like I said, it used to be like a tunnel that came through here, but they've opened all this up through here now. What's nice is they do have an ATM machine here. So while you're here, ATM right here, Metro Bank. Here is the famous elephant. For those that have been here, they know about the elephant, big famous elephant here. There used to be a lounge here, but that is gone. This has all been re-renovated through here. All this here is now all seating. This is a new bar here. This is all new. And man, have they done a nice job on this. More seating. It seems like they open it up for more seating through here. It's just really, really nice. Souvenirs here if you want some elephants. That's like their theme here, I guess, the elephant thing. Little stuffed animals. Let me walk over here. Like I said, it used to be like a corridor that just kind of came down through here. Here's their main dining area. And I want to kind of show a little bit of it. This is their main dining area. Here's where they used to have the big buffet through here. They no longer have a buffet. They've gotten rid of that. Will it come back once things change, more people start coming? I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully, because the buffet was good. Here's their main kitchen area. Nice big kitchen in there. All right, here is the pool area now. You still have all this seating out here. You could sit out here. Both sides here is for seating, but the pool is really nice. Look at that. The water's cold. The water is cold. But I always like that. All that up and through there. That's all rooms up in there. You can stay up in there. All these rooms through here. Kind of pan around here and show you. There's the motley crew. The motley crew. Once again, here's the elephant. Talking about the elephant in the room, right? It looks like they got a nozzle sticking out there, like water would shoot out of there. There's some people here. I don't know if they have every room open here, if they're keeping them closed, you know, because they just don't have the people coming and staying. I don't know. Another view of the pool area here. That's just so nice. And tonight is just, it's a beautiful, cool night. If you're interested in the rooms, go online. They are giving deals out. MGCQ deals. So they are doing nice deals. This hall is kind of new all back in here. I got this koi pond here. And every time you come up here, they want fed. They all got their mouths open. Feed me, feed me, feed me. This is all landscaped all through here. Another view of the restaurant dining area. I have this over here. I could have done this during the day, but I think it looks beautiful at night. Everything's just kind of lit up. Let me come back here. This kind of looks like a little gym back in here, a little weight bench back in here. I know it's not state of the art, but a weight bench back here. Little universal back here. And then those steps right there lead up to the upstairs. We'll head upstairs. I'll show you the new area upstairs. Like I said, when things were not open and running here, they were doing a lot of nice renovation. These wooden steps that come up here now. This area here is a sun lounging deck. You want to come up here and you want to tan, lay out in the sun. It's all open. It's all open to the sky. There's another view from up top here. I just think those balconies are just cool. Those balcony rooms there. This is all new through here. This upstairs dining bar area. Just nice. They really did a great job. There's sun setting out in the distance. That's pointing down kind of toward Subic Bay that way. Got some nice relaxing music playing. And like I said, you have this upstairs area here, this upstairs bar area here. More seating through here. This leads you back downstairs. More rooms here. This side is where your family suites are. Bigger rooms with the family suites. Well, look at that sun setting. It's beautiful. Check this out. You're gonna love this view. Check out that view. Look at that. That just is beautiful. I know I keep saying beautiful, but it is beautiful. What other word is there? Exquisite, luxurious. Look at that. Pan to the left. Pan to the right. One more view, guys. One more view. Look at that. Like I said, I know there are subscribers that have stayed here in the Clarkton Hotel. Others are looking for a place to stay. Let me turn this way so you can look over my shoulder. I recommend this place. Like I said, it's far enough away from downtown, you know, the street area. You can catch trikes going back and forth. It's not hard. It's just a very nice place to stay, and it's probably one of the few hotels that are actually open to where guests can come, they can stay. Personally, I would contact them Remember, just look it up online, guys. Look it up. If you want room rates and everything like that, just look it up online. But they are open. They are open, and highly recommend the place. So what else is left tonight? We're just gonna eat, maybe drink a few more drinks, and just call it a night. So family staycation, Angeles City.